You're going to be reading for sign of Aquarius right from now until the end of the month. So what can my Aquarius sign possibly expect in their love life, soulmate connection? What's to come for Aquarius in the coming weeks? One card for that, please. Okay, right now with the Knight of Wands, I do see someone who's been resisting for the longest time. This could be possibly a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also for some of you, it could be Pisces, okay, or Cancer, but whichever sign it may be, I do see someone trying to return to you or trying to move in, okay. Knight of Wands is a card where someone is definitely interested in you, physically attracted to you. You guys do have a strong sexual chemistry, okay. So what do they have in mind right now? One card for what does this person possibly have in mind? With Two of Pentacles, this person is extremely dicey. They do have feelings for you, but they have been very in and out of your life. Knight of Wands is a card where this person is interested, but this person has no intentions to stay. Okay, and I believe your person did have feelings for you, but your person was very dicey, like very in and out, like very hot and cold about the connection. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. They are still very unsure with what they possibly want with you. Okay, for some of you there could be a third party involvement, since we have the Two of Pentacles here. We'll have to clarify that later. With the High Priestess, their intentions is to still hide things from you. This person is definitely coming in. They feel a strong connection to you. But the problem is this person will not speak the truth. They are still hiding things from you. They are, not intending to speak everything. They are wanting to keep certain things hidden from you. Okay, truth be told. Okay, so that being said, let's start the tarot now. This is your energy reading. So what's the main focus going to be for my dear Aquarius sign? What's the main focus going to be for Aquarius? This is going to be for May and June. Okay, so take what resonates, leave the rest. With the Judgment card, I do feel that some of you are wanting to make a decision now. Okay, you are done with the mind games, the drama that was involved. Judgment is a card where you need to either make decision of letting someone in or ending this forever. So let's see your energy towards your person. Aquarius soulmates energy towards Aquarius now. Aquarius soulmates energy towards Aquarius. Then we'll check your energy as well. Main focus is someone wants a second chance and you do not know if you should be giving them second chance. Like given the past history being Five of Swords, this person has kind of played a lot with you, very in and out. Okay. In terms of intentions, this person is still hiding their feelings, still not wanting to emotionally connect with you. This person has had tendencies of ghosting you in the past, or taking breaks from you, walking away from you without giving you a proper reason as to why. So I believe that this person at the current moment is still not opening up about their feelings. Right now, you guys might not be in communication. Even if you guys are in communication, I do not see this person very much opening up to you emotionally. Okay, so one card for the past, one card for the past. In the past, we have the Star card. So this tells me that in the past you guys might have tried to heal the connection, but it did not go anywhere. But you guys did try. You guys did try your level best to heal the connection and to see if it could have a possible future. But with Eight of Swords being at the bottom, I still feel that you eventually got stuck and nothing really happened. Okay. So Spirit, give me one card for like what's to come between Aquarius and their soulmate in the coming weeks. Like what can my dear Aquarius possibly expect in soulmate connections in the coming weeks? Okay. We have the Justice card for you. For many of you, you guys will be making a decision based on a connection. But the problem is someone is still not wanting to take the chance. Okay, someone is still holding back, and this might be like literally triggering you, getting you all angry and upset with your person, that your person is coming to forward but not really making the move, or making the taking the steps necessary to fix the connection. I can guarantee you that your person will come forward. Okay, but the problem is, are they willing to work this out with you? Okay, that's the problem. Okay, so one card for their current feelings for you. One card for Aquarius soulmates, current feelings for Aquarius, please. Again, this person is wanting to stay emotionally independent from you. Okay, this person is not wanting to invest emotionally. That's the biggest issue in the connection. You guys, I believe, are connected with someone who is not wanting to commit to you. They are wanting a very much fun based connection where they don't have to commit, or they don't have to answer anything based on where they were, with whom they were, and stuff like that. No questions asked. They are wanting a very fun based connection. In terms of their feelings, this person is not wanting to connect emotionally. I'll be very honest here. So in terms of what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action is the Aquarius student possibly wanting to take towards you? This person, I believe, in terms of taking action, they are contemplating. Okay, I genuinely feel that you guys have gone through this on and off for quite a while, and this has not gone anyway. Okay, they are thinking of the past, of how this connection has never led anywhere. I believe that they are to be responsible for this, because they haven't been investing emotionally. You have been very much triggered, because they were not putting in any sort of effort. But with Seven of Pentacles, they are still not very much into putting in effort and fixing this connection. Okay, even if they reconnect, it is not going to be very emotional connection. It is going to be a very direct connection, somewhat where emotions are not involved. They are not wanting to involve emotions. Okay, so one card for the blockage. What's really stopping Aquarius soulmate from coming towards Aquarius? What's the main blockage here? This reading could go vice versa for some of you. Blockage is, this person is not wanting to. They feel like if they invest emotionally, they'll have to get probably attached to you, and they'll have to answer to you and stuff like that. So I feel for some of you that this person is not wanting to have an emotional connection. That's it. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward? Where is this connection possibly moving? I believe it has been very in and out, and very on and off connections for you guys. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, this person is eventually going to leave you out in the cold. Okay, do not expect great things from this person. This person will disappoint you. I'm sorry, but this is the way I do my readings. I'm very straightforward. I do not bullshit. I do not sugarcoat. So whatever it is, I'll let you know that I do not see things going forward, at least for the next 10 days for you. Okay, this connection is not something that you guys could look up to. You have done your everything. It is not you, it's them. For many of you, your person is not wanting to invest or have an emotional connection. So what are they wanting from you now? One card for what's the Aquarius possibly wanting from Aquarius now? With Four of Pentacles, this person is still wanting you to hold on to them, not give up on them. This person does not want you to walk away from them. They are still wanting you to hold on to them. Okay, this person might also want a very fun-based connection, a very sexual connection, to be honest. Okay, so yeah. So what action are they wanting you to take towards them? What action are they possibly wanting Aquarius to take towards them now? For some of you, this person might want you to be a part of a third party. If this person is having a third party or in another commitment as of now, then this person might want you to be the third tie. It is very wrong, but this person, is very much a weirdo. If there is a third connection, then they are very much wanting you to be a third tire. Okay, so it is what it is. Okay, this person is not having intentions of getting married or having a stable connection with you. This person is wanting a very fun based connection. It is what it is. Okay, so what's the Aquarius like wanting from their soulmate now? What's Aquarius possibly wanting from their soulmate now? I believe that you guys are very confused now. Like given the past history, you do have feelings. You do have a lot of feelings. You are wanting an emotional connection, but I feel you will not express your feelings. King of Cups is a card where someone has feelings but is not, wanting to express it or in any which way. This person behaves very maturely. I believe that you guys are like watching them from a distance but not doing much. You guys are waiting for communication, truth be told. Okay, with Six of Swords, you also are trying to detach yourself. Many of you guys have tried to move on but were not able to. Okay, you feel like this was your person, but your person is messed up. Okay, so it is what it is. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Aquarius. If you could resonate, darling, please do hit the like button because it greatly helps my channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed and keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much, darling. Cheers.